Hi Bellas, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. To all my new Bellas, I want to say hello and welcome. To all my seasoned Bellas, welcome back. And to all those who may have stumbled on this video accidentally, you're in the right place. Please stay a while and join us as we bring you the best of lips, lashes, and luxury. Today we're going to be doing the IPSY versus Sephora for the month of February. I finally got my package. Was waiting on Sephora, and as you know, Sephora is notoriously late when it comes to bringing me packages, but I do have it and I'm ready to give you the battle. Ready to begin? Let's get this show on the road. Let's duke it out for the month of February. Who's gonna win? Who knows? I think I'm going to go with IPSY first. So I'm going to share with you my IPSY bag. And as you know, it comes in this fun fuchsia pink bag. Then you open it up and it gives you a card which tells you the theme as well as what you have inside of your IPSY bag. The IPSY bag this month is a pale pink with pink lips all over it, and it has the pink matching tie here as well. The XOXO IPSY for this month is Swoon So Hard. That's the theme. And it gave us some samples. And so let's just dive in and see what we got. First and foremost, we have a new brush. I love their brushes. They always give me really, really good brushes. This one is by Sephora, and it is a powder brush. It says here the description about the brand is known for its luxe brushes that won't break the bank. It's versatile enough to apply setting powders. It can do bronzers and blush. This brush has super soft bristles, which I can attest to. They are really, really soft, that blend color smoothly and easily. So this is the brush. I will tell you, it's very, very soft. I love the pink. I love the handle. It kind of goes from a rose gold into a deeper pink. And it's very, very soft and very, very lightweight. So this is going to be good. I think I probably will use it mostly for blush because I needed a new blush brush. So I probably will use it for that, but it's very, very nice. And like I said, I do love IPSY's brushes. When they do give me a brush in my glam bag, I'm really very satisfied with it 9 times out of 10. Then we have from my favorite people over at Hollywood, California, the Glam Glow. This is the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. It says it's beloved by celebs and creators alike. This brand is adored for hardworking formulas that give you a goddess status insta-glow. I can attest to that too. I have used this product before and it really does give you a nice lit from within look. It blurs your skin, it reflects light, and it gets you gorge in no time flat. I usually wear this underneath my moisturizer, but you can wear this alone, which it also says in the description as well. The next thing I got is by Elmis. This is Superfood Facial Wash. I love facial washes because, as you guys know, I love skincare. The Elmis products are crafted by a team of scientists and skincare experts who believe in the power of natural ingredients. It's fortified with nourishing avocado and kale. Oh, I love kale. Your skin will slurp up the good stuff in this great facial wash, just like we do a healthy smoothie. So it says to massage a quarter size amount of cleanser all over damp skin twice a day. Add water until it lathers and then rinse off with warm water. I will definitely tell you how this is, but if it has avocado and kale, I'm pretty sure it's probably good. Let's go into the next thing. The next thing I have, ooh, it's very bright. This is by LAQA and Company. It's called the Prickly Pear pH Gloss. This brand is inspired by the bold colors, patterns, and artistic vibes of New York City's Lower East Side. And this Prickly Pear gloss is just as unique. The formula adjusts to your skin's pH levels, enhancing or softening its pink undertones to create your own custom shade. So it says to wipe this onto bare lips, or you can layer it with your favorite colors to give it a glam glossy pink sheen. Since I already have gloss on, I won't try it right now, but I definitely will try this and let you guys know what I think. And the last product that I have is by Cella. This is a eyeliner pen in brown. This is ex-NFL players Chris Kolozinski's mom, who inspired him to launch Cella. It's a brand that promotes self-confidence and self-expression through beauty. This precise felt tip liner is great for creating sharp wings, graphic lines, you name it. So I definitely will give that a try as well. So far, so good. I really like all of the products that was in the bag for this month in February. Pretty good. Let's see what's in the Sephora box. Okay, so as you know, when we open up the Sephora box, we get a beautiful playbook. This month is no exception. And it also gives you 50 bonus points that you can now use online as well as at the store. So when you buy any full-size product, you get an extra 50 bonus points on top of your points that you would get for purchasing the product. So we love that. This month's theme is called Love Struck Beauty. And we're going to try to do this without spilling stuff on the floor, because you know, those of you who are my seasoned bellas, you know I'm notorious for dropping stuff like a pigeon all over my desk and on the floor. But so far I'm doing well, bellas. So far so good. Okay, so let's dig in and see what we have. First up is by Clinique. You guys know I love Clinique on this channel. This is a quick liner for eyes in intense ebony. So this is great. I have a brown eyeliner from IPSY, and now I have a black one from Sephora Box. So that's great. This is a richly pigmented eyeliner in a deep black shade. It has a creamy, intense formula, and it glides on without tugging or pulling, which is great because you don't want any tugging or pulling around your eyes. Plus it gives you 60 seconds of playtime before setting, so that's great. It doesn't set automatically. It does give you a chance to play around with it and maybe do a tight line or a wing, and maybe if you mess up you have enough chance to wipe it away before it starts getting crazy. So this is great, and it also is water resistant and it has long lasting wear. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing I got, ooh, this is by Estee Lauder. This is their Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation in 7W1 Deep Spice. So I guess that's supposed to be my color. We shall see. It says it is a super long wear matte foundation that covers imperfection and uneven skin tone. It's a buildable medium to full coverage, and it has a very comfortable formula that's not cakey or it does not smudge. And best of all, it says it stays put for 24 hours. So definitely we'll try this and let you know about that. And Bellas, if you want to see me revisit these sample Saturdays where I try on all of my samples for the month and give you my sort of first impressions on how the product performs, let me know in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to do that for you. The next one is by Caudalie, and I can tell you I love their products. You guys have seen me do skincare products featuring this brand very often. This one is called the Venosource Cream Sorbet, and it's a moisturizing gel cream that hydrates and calms the skin. It's supposed to be an ultra smooth formula. It nourishes sensitive skin with organic grape water, which is excellent for your skin, by the way. And it also has comforting chamomile and antioxidant grapeseed. So definitely we'll be trying that. The next thing, ooh, this is by Wonder Beauty. This is a gold eye mask. It's called Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. It's a set of gold foil masks that brighten and hydrate the skin. This multitasking eye mask does more than just look super luxurious. The serum hydrates the skin and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in the delicate under eye area. Absolutely, I'll be trying this. This is a Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It's supposed to be a radiance boosting sleeping mask that improves uneven skin tone and texture. It's a light, bouncy formula that hydrates and smooths the skin with ultra soothing watermelon extract while you sleep. Plus, it won't come off in the middle of the night and ruin your pillowcase. That's very important. It says to pat a generous layer onto the skin. Oh my gosh. It smells just like a watermelon. Oh my God, it smells so delicious. It smells really amazing. I will definitely have to try this. I think I will be doing a sample Saturday just for myself, if not for you guys. So even if you don't tell me you want to do this, I probably will do it anyway, just because I'm super excited about these products and I want to see how they perform. And the last product, which is this month's bonus, is a fragrance by Stella McCartney. This is called Stella, which I have tried before. But for all you Bellas who may not be aware of Stella, it's a soft feminine scent and it pays homage to the English rose. It has sharp contrast in notes that really keep this fragrance interesting. It has floral, the top notes is rose, the middle note is peony flower, and then the base is mandarin and amber. So it's a rich floral fruity type of scent, perfect for the start of spring. And even if you want to wear it now, I like to layer different scents. So I like to layer it with maybe one of my Jo Malone scents that has a little bit more earthier tone to it, and then put the Stella on to kind of even that out. So I have the earthy and then the light floral. Or you can put two florals together too. That also works very, very well. So that was everything that I got in both my IPSY and my Sephora box. And for the first time in a long time, I am excited about both subscriptions. I think there were great things in the IPSY that I would use. Also great things in the Sephora box that I would use. And I'm really excited about really testing the skincare out. I'm excited about both. I can't wait to try it. If you have either the IPSY or Sephora subscription, hit me up in the comment section below. Let me know what you got in your box. Always interested to see what other people got in their boxes as well. I think I'm going to get a lot of mileage out of both. And I will let you guys know once I do my sample Saturday about how the products actually perform on the skin. So until next time, this is Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. Don't forget, here's a video right here for you, so you'll be all caught up on all things Brown Girl Bella. Until next time, deuces.